A truck's camera captures a snowplow on an Ohio highway moving in the opposite direction, spraying snow onto oncoming vehicles. One car loses control and crashes off the road. Stay cautious around snowplows to avoid accidents. While driving in the rain, the car with a dash cam was suddenly struck by lightning on the front of the vehicle. The car seems to be undrivable and heavily damaged. With the rain and lightning, it's advised to avoid going out. A video showing a 330-ton boulder rolling down Keelung Mountain in Taiwan during heavy rain, nearly crushing a car passing below. What seemed like a normal situation quickly escalated when two young men on motorcycles decided to challenge the car driver, only to face a harsh outcome. Don't let emotions take control. Always stay calm in traffic to avoid unfortunate consequences. Make sure to thoroughly check your vehicle before driving to avoid unexpected accidents. Control your speed to avoid unfortunate situations, everyone. Yes, perhaps no one wants this, but it seems the young man left without saying a word. The incident was caused by an electrical cable lying across the road, which got caught in the automatic sweeper brush under the street cleaning vehicle. As the cable tightened, two other vehicles were lifted by both the front and rear simultaneously. A group of people were taking photos on a mountain road in Hunan, China when rocks and debris suddenly fell from the mountain. Fortunately, they managed to escape in time. Be cautious when stopping your vehicle in areas prone to landslides. Surveillance footage shows a pedestrian narrowly escaping a speeding car. With quick reflexes and a bit of luck, they avoided disaster. Stay alert near busy streets, as accidents can happen at any moment. The passenger bus was moving at high speed in rainy conditions with slippery roads. The vehicle lost control, collided with a car in the same direction, crashed into the median barrier, and then plunged into a field. Fortunately, there were no human casualties, but the bus, median barrier, and guardrail were severely damaged. Drivers should be cautious when driving on slippery roads, reduce speed, and maintain a safe distance to prevent accidents. Drivers should be cautious when driving in bad weather conditions, reduce speed, and maintain a safe distance to avoid losing control and causing accidents. Drivers should be mindful when changing lanes or turning and maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front to avoid unexpected collisions. Drivers should reduce speed and exercise caution when driving on slippery roads, especially on curves, to prevent serious accidents. The collision caused both people in the car to panic, and the windshield was severely damaged. Everyone should be cautious when driving near trucks, especially when there are obstacles on the road, to avoid dangerous collisions. The security camera captured a scene of a pickup truck moving at high speed towards a sharp curve. The driver lost control, causing the vehicle to crash straight into a house by the roadside. You should reduce speed and be cautious when approaching sharp curves to avoid losing control and causing accidents. Please reduce speed and be more cautious when driving on slippery roads to avoid unnecessary accidents. Drivers should exercise caution and adjust their speed accordingly when driving in poor weather conditions to prevent accidents. A massive avalanche in Peru sent huge boulders tumbling down the mountainside, crushing to trucks. One of the trucks was tossed into the air and flipped over like a bowling ball. Miraculously, no one was killed. Drivers should exercise caution when traveling through hazardous areas like mountainous regions, especially in bad weather conditions, to avoid serious accidents. What a close call. Remember, keeping a safe distance can make a big difference in avoiding danger. Although the car driver didn't break any laws, lack of experience combined with the reckless driving of a truck led to a dangerous collision. Luckily, there were no serious consequences. Always stay cautious and calm behind the wheel, as sometimes a quick decision can save your life. One moment of distraction can turn everything upside down. Stay focused. Stay safe. When a vehicle fails to stop, the consequences can be devastating. Always be ready to react and stay alert, especially at intersections.